Hello everyone, my name is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing, and today we're going to be discussing a little bit about CNC machining and if vapor honing is necessary for these CNC machined parts. So CNC parts may look great off the mill, but it may not be enough, which is where the vapor honing process comes into play. So one of the things you may need to do post machining is deburr these parts or get rid of sharp edges. Now this can be done with a more aggressive or a non-aggressive abrasive. You can do it with glass bead, ceramic bead, aluminum oxide. There's a variety of abrasives you can use to deburr different parts. And you can also use this for surface refinement or surface finishing. So the next thing that you can use the vapor honing process on CNC machine parts for is surface refinement. You can either use this for surface prep for different coatings, or you can just use it to prep the surface and make it more uniform or smooth or consistent on these parts. Gets rid of tooling marks. So that's a big thing to make your parts more consistent. As you can see here, we used a ceramic bead on this. It completely got rid of the tooling marks. You can leave this bare, or let's say you have like a black anodized prep that you're doing. So you may want to use an aluminum oxide so you get that matte finish. It's not light. It's not making your black anodized appear gray when you do it, but you're getting enough surface profile for that anodized to adhere to the surface. It is safe for all parts, all metals, all parts. It is safe for. The reason for that is because the water creates a cushion on the surface of the part, so it's not impacting it with a hard impact like a dry blast process would, but it's cleaning by flow. So the abrasive is just gonna hit, skid off. If you're using a round abrasive, it's rolling the surface. If you're using a jagged edged or rough edged abrasive like aluminum oxide, it's giving you more of an etch to that surface, but it's not going to be damaging to critical areas or have tolerance changes or anything of that nature. So another point is improved functionality. There is no friction or no heat on these different surfaces. So if this part were to be, reassembled or built onto something, it's gonna go together seamlessly because there's no heat to produce any kind of warpage or any friction to produce any kind of warpage with this process. All of it is really seamless. There's not anything that's going to damage these parts to a point where you cannot assemble something. So this process, again, if you're machining, it's not something that may be necessary, but if a perfect finish, a consistent finish, or a finish that preps for different after coatings that may go on these parts is a priority to you, you may want to take a look at this because this is going to help you tremendously. Obviously, this is a part that we machined ourselves. We're leaving it bare, but this surface finish is impeccable compared to what it looked like before with all the tooling marks, the sharp edges. And again, ceramic bead is round, so it's just going to roll the surface, which is why all of these different areas are smoothed out and the finish appears more satin. So if you are mass producing these parts too, we also have automated solutions for you. So we have different designs our engineers have perfected and catered to this kind of industry. And we know many of you out there are mass producing these parts. So if you'd like to schedule a call with us, please do. We're happy to have that conversation and show you just how vapor honing can positively impact your business and what kind of automated solution may be the best for you. Our number here is 828-202-5563.